pag-uusapan natin ngayon is how to earn money online as a voice-over artist. So kung ikaw naman ay someone with a clear and crystal voice, with a great quality voice, kayang gumaya ng kahit anong characters, and kung saan ka man located, this one is for you. Stay with me up until the end of this video and let's talk about this voice acting jobs. Hello everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Russell. Sa channel na to, nag-upload ako ng mga videos kung paano tayong pwedeng kumita online at nag-share ako ng mga iba't ibang side hustles na pwede nating gawin habang nasa bahay lang. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested sa mga ganitong videos, don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon below para hindi ka mahuli sa ating mga videos. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan i-like, i-share at mag-comment sa video na to. Let's go back to our topic guys, sa pagiging isang voice-over artist. Sa video na to, may i-share ako sa inyo na 3 website from where you can start your online career as a voice-over artist. Pero bago yan guys, bago ko i-share yung 3 platform na yan, syempre pag-usapan natin ano ba yung isang voice-over artist? Ano ba yung mga magiging job responsibilities mo? What is a voice-over artist? As a voice-over artist, you will be doing voiceovers or you will be providing voices to represent different characters. Naisip mo na ba kung saan nanggagaling yung mga boses ng mga cartoon characters, anime characters, or yung mga boses sa mga commercials na napapanood mo sa television? Yes guys, those voices na naririnig nyo are provided by different voice actors. And yes, they get paid by doing those. At pwedeng-pwede mo rin yung gawin. Bilang isang voice-over artist, you can lend your voice to animated videos, movies, presentations, product videos, TV programs, commercials, anime series, video games, audiobooks, and a lot more. Ano ba yung mga skills na dapat meron ng isang voice-over artist? If you have the following skills, you can definitely do voice acting jobs. You should have a clear and compelling voice. You should be great at mimicry, or yung mga paggaya sa mga iba-ibang tunog or iba-ibang character voices. You should be able to control your voice frequency. Like, kaya mong magboses bata or magboses babae, boses lalaki, iba-iba. You should also have the ability to exhibit acting skills. Bakit guys? Kasi syempre, kahit voice lang yung ginagawa nyo, meron pa rin mga emotions yan. Para ka pa rin nag-act in a sense na voice lang yung talagang kinukuha. Kung meron ka ng mga qualifications na yan, pwedeng-pwede kang maging isang voice actor or voice-over artist. For the technical requirements naman guys, kailangan syempre meron kang recording equipment. Pwedeng sa phone mo, sa laptop, or tablet, or any other specific equipment. Kung may professional recording equipment ka, syempre much better. Kailangan mo ng good quality microphone. Kung may condenser microphone ka, mas maganda. And of course, an internet connection. So yan yung mga kailangan mo for technical requirements. Usapan na natin yung 3 website na sinabi ko. Number 1 on our list is voice123.com. So guys, may kita nyo sa website nila yung mga sample audios from different voice artists. Para makapag-sign up ka dito or makapag-start ka mag-auditions for voice acting jobs, you can click on join as a voice actor. It's free to sign up. Kailangan mo lang i-fill out yung information mo. Siyempre, kapag nakapag-create ka na ng account, you can start receiving invites from different clients. And you can also start auditioning for different voice-over acting jobs. So, after auditioning for the jobs, siyempre, kapag napili ka ng mga clients, you can negotiate for your rate and get hired to start working with the project. Ito guys, yung mga available categories nila for voice acting. Meron silang for cartoons, commercials, movies, narration, radio, or video games. Yan yung mga usualing categories for voice acting jobs na hinahanap dito kay Voice123. For the voice-over acting rates, guys, hindi naka-specify sa mga websites. Kasi dedepende yung voice-over rates, number 1, kung may experience ka at kung gaano nakatagal yung experience mo, kung gaano ba kaganda yung output na mapoprovide mo. And the main factors na magde-decide sa rate mo are yung length ng script na babasahin mo and ano ba yung category na gagawin mo. Ang maganda naman dito guys kay Voice123, meron silang voice over rate calculator. Siyempre, kung hindi ka pa sanay makipag-negotiate kung anong rate yung ipoprovide mo kay client, pwede mo yang gamitin, yung calculator nila. Let's take a look, guys. So let's try to use this. Say for example, yung language for our voice over job is English, and then kunyari yung imimimic nating voice is a child. Tapos dito sa part na to, guys, for the second part, your script, let's select calculate rate for me. And then, lalagay mo dito yung specific script. Ika-count niyan yung words. Then, dito sa third step, i-identify niya na kung magkano yung rate na pwede nyong i-negotiate with your client. Ayan guys, pwede nyong i-utilize yung voice over calculator ng Voice123 na website para alam nyo or may idea kayo kung magkano ba yung rate pwede nyong i-negotiate with your client. So, the payment method here is either through PayPal or wire transfer. Second on our list is Voice Bunny. So, dito kay Voice Bunny, meron din silang page wherein you will be able to hear some of the sample works of their voice actor. The available jobs dito kay Voice Bunny, pwede for commercials and advertising, presentations, product videos, character and video games, audiobooks, podcast, and a lot more. So, kailangan mo lang dito mag-sign up for an account for free. Siyempre, una, pipili ka ng category kasi may iba-iba din silang available job positions dito. So, piliin mo yung voice-over jobs. Then, you need to fill in the details. Tapos, mag-a-ask sila sa'yo dyan ng 3 samples or demos for your voice-over skills. After uploading those necessary documents or required samples, you can submit your application and wait for a feedback from Voice Bunny. For voice over rates, the same as Voice123, magdedepende yan sa length of script and anong category ba yung gagawin mo. So, ang pinagkaiba lang dito, wala silang calculator for voice over rates, pero you can set your own reasonable rate naman. Para sa payment method dito kay Voice Bunny, they can pay either through wire transfer, Wise, Revolut, and Payoneer. Now, let's proceed to the last website, which is The Voice Realm. Dito kay The Voice Realm, meron din silang page wherein you can hear their voice actors samples para may idea kayo kung gaano kagagaling yung mga voice actors nila. Dito guys, para makapag-sign up ka, kailangan mo lang i-click yung I'm a voice actor, and then maroroute ka dito sa page na to wherein you can sign up for an account. You can upload your demo and details on this page. And after doing so, kapag na-fill out mo na lahat and upload mo na yung file mo for your demo, you can submit your application and wait for a feedback from the team. Dito guys, yung mga available categories nila for voice acting jobs are radio and TV commercial voices, internet video voiceovers, business and training recordings, e-learning voiceover talent, telephone voiceover recordings, audiobook voiceover narrators, and more. For the voice-over rates, again, it would depend on the length of the script and what category are you in. And meron ding voice-over rate calculator sa platform na to. Dito sa website nila, click nyo lang tong voice-over rates and meron na dito silang voice-over calculator. So let's try using this calculator. Number 1 question is, where will the recording be used? Say for example, for educational or training purposes. Tapos sabihan na natin nasa 50 plus words. So, magpo-fall siya dito guys, which is about $80. Dito, yung rate naman nila is specifically by category na. Yung payment method naman nila guys, hindi naka-specify, pero of course, it will be discussed once you're part of the team. Those are the websites that I'd like to share with you kung saan makakahanap ka ng mga voice-over acting jobs. I hope this video helps, and if you guys have any questions, comments, or content suggestions, iwan nyo lang yan in the comment section. And kung na-enjoy nyo to, don't forget to give this video a like and share this. Thank you once again for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and bell icon below para magkita pa tayo sa mga next videos ko about making money online. So that is it for today guys. Bye for now and God bless everyone.